Hi guys, my name is Brayden and today I'm going to be talking about exponent laws, simplifying and evaluating it. So, first off, I'm going to grab some simple equations and try to explain them briefly to you guys. So, let's just grab a random number like 8 squared. Let's say we're gonna be multiplying it 8/5 or something like that. For us to solve this, if we're multiplying a power to a power but they have different exponents, what we do here is if we're just multiplying it, you just have to add the exponent. So therefore, if you had this equation, it would be 2 plus 5. Therefore, if you were to simplify it, it would be 7. And then if you were to evaluate it, you would have to do repeated multiplication, or I'm just gonna do it in a calculator. So you just have to do 8 times 8 times 8 7 times 4 5 6 7. So if I did it in a calculator, the answer would be a huge big number. So it would be 2,097,152. Obviously, I would have known it would be a big number because we'd be multiplying so many 8s. So yeah. Another example is dividing powers. So if we were to grab another random number, let's say 14, 4 divided by 14 squared. For us to solve this, since this is dividing, we would have to subtract the exponents instead of adding them. So we would do 14, 4 minus 2 for the exponents, and simplifying it would be 14 squared. And then evaluating it, it would be 14 times 14. So the answer here would be 196. I did it in a calculator, but you could use your own method, like multiplying it yourself, like this. But I did it in a calculator, so it's more faster. Yeah. Oh, that's wrong. Should be 196. I don't know what happened there. I messed up my multiplying, but you get what I mean. I'm just gonna find another equation here in the textbook. So, let's try and do it with negatives now. So let's do negative 5 times 6 times negative 5, 3. Just add the exponents, same thing. Therefore, it would be negative 5, 9. And since the exponent is an odd number, it would be, the result would be a negative number. So if we did negative 5 9 times, that's going to be a big number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. negative 1953125. I'm just grabbing random numbers. Same thing with division. If you did a negative, crap, let's do a different number, not 5. Let's do 4. Actually 7. Negative 7. Let's do 4. Exponent 4 divided by negative 7. 1. You would just subtract the exponent by 1, so the result would be negative 7, 3. So if we did 7 times 7 times 7, the result would be a negative, so it would be negative 343. Obviously, if the exponent is even, it would be a positive number, so just remember that. Unless the negative is not inside the bracket. But you know what I'm saying. Let's do some other equations, like here. I'll just put my paper more up. Let's do this one. Negative 4 2 times negative 4 divided by negative 4 3. So this is pretty easy. Let's do the top one first. So obviously we would add these up. 2 plus 4. The exponent would be 6. So negative 4 6 divided by 3. So we would minus 3. So if we did 6 minus 3 for the exponent, that result would be negative 4 3. And if we evaluated it, the answer would be negative 64. Remember that this part here is where we simplify it, and this is the evaluation. Just so that we make sure you remember. By the way, if there's no like multiplying sign in the middle and there's just numbers with brackets, it still means that you're supposed to multiply it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I guess that's it. I'll just do another example if you were to do it with repeated multiplication. So if we did 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, like that, that would be basically 2/4, and another 2 times 2 times 2, that'd be 2/3, and then therefore if you'd simplify it would be 2/7, and then the answer when we evaluate it, it would be 128. Yeah, that's it. Hope you understand.